It is a blow for 2030 faction as Mashonaland West becomes another province rejecting the treasonous proposed bill. Sarabina Mash Cooperative na Isaac Makumi Chachiti. Mash West joins Mashungo province. The rejecting proposed bill says they want Chiwenga in 2028. It was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Keep down no more brand Chinzi. This comes after low turnout at the 2030 meetings. People are not attending, prompting 2030 term extension. Supporters to lie about giving out food at May seats to lay attendees. In March West WhatsApp groups, people complain that the 2030 term extension is using lies to attract attendees. By doing so, they're exposing the people's rejection of the 2030 term extension. It started in Mashingo, where people are being expelled from ZANU-PF for rejecting the 2030 term extension, clearly silencing dissent. Those supporting the bill are likely paid or benefiting. March West says they support President Mnangagwa and love ZANU-PF, but they don't want term extension. Chi chakatadziwa kuitwa in 9 years chingazoitwa in 2 years uyeko akazoti pane zvimwe futi zvandinoda kupedzisa ndoda another 2 years. They argue this amendment bill has caused party factions and angered citizens. Isaac Makomichi rejected this bill as it makes people compare President E.D. Mnangagwa with Mugabe. It is also goes against the liberation struggle core values. The masses want His Excellency Mnangagwa to finish his term unchallenged, then VP Chiwenga as next president in 2028. Chiwenga's people-centered approach and the demand for referendum have made him a national topic. Some suspect the 2030 faction wants to sell the president's name, turning people against him could be a setup security sector should investigate. Doma developments are kuda pangwa ino. Na comment section medu za fungulo imo tulipa msa pechito ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.